My name is Hayden Miller, and I am a HVAC Installer Journeyman. I install new equipment, mainly new construction, so any house is being built, I'll go in and install the system, or if someone needs a unit changed out, we'll go in there and rip the old equipment out, replace it. Well, I started doing heavy construction. I really did not like that, so I called my buddy who did HVAC, and 2 years later, here I am. I mean, it gives me something I can always work up to, with different licenses, and it's nice to have certain things to work towards and set goals for yourself. Heat and Air definitely does that for me. What I like about Service Wizards is it's like a small family. Yeah, we also do things that other companies may not do. Good to have, certain knowledge passed down that I may not be able to obtain, at another place, feel well taken care of here. So